So we will be giving your Halloween table height by creating decorations using candle pillars. For this project, you will need a candle pillar, a round vase that fits your pillar, Halloween eyes, or any other Halloween decoration that you have, as long as it's not too heavy, and museum putty. Museum putty is pretty strong and actually gets its name because museums use it to secure valuables to avoid any accidents from happening. It's really great stuff to have at home, especially if you have kids running around. So take the museum putty and make 4 to 6 balls. The balls should be big enough to connect your pillar to the glass. My pillar and glass are small, so I'm making mine the size of blueberries. Place your museum putty on top of the pillar, and then take your glass vase and carefully press it on top of the museum putty until your putty is flattened between the glass vase and the pillar. Your pillar and vase should now be connected. Fill your vase with the eyes or any other decoration of your choice. And voila, you have a finished product. Happy Halloween!